Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. So I'm back with a long-term update on this Reolink Argus Pro security camera. So they sent this product out to me as a free review sample 8 months ago, and I did a full install review sort of thing for you, and I said I'd come back after I've used it quite a bit to let you know if it's still working. And it is, no problems. Nothing's really changed. Really happy with it and all its features. I'm really impressed with how little power it takes. I got the solar panel for it and I put it on my RV roof and plugged it in, and then attached this with the mount they gave me onto the RV. And I went away for a 6-month trip and I didn't need to charge it once. The solar panel just kept it charged the whole time. Now it's 2 months into our boating season. I left the solar panel on my RV and I've been testing out its battery. It's got a rechargeable battery in there. You plug in at the back. There's a micro USB. Plug it in. It takes about maybe 2 hours to fully charge, but then it'll last 8 to 10 days, which is pretty impressive. I don't have to be taking it down all the time to recharge it. And actually I have a power station up near it, so I just plug it in. One accessory I did buy for it was this thing. I got this from a company on Amazon, and it clamps onto a rail and hooks onto a camera, and that's been perfect because I just mount this on the back, one of the back railings of our boat, and I get a nice rear view shot of the boat. If we're in a marina or anything, anybody comes on the boat, I'll know about it. Also, this is hooked into our internet router, and I could look on my phone anywhere and actually see a live view of what's going on. Another feature I really like about it is the time-lapse feature. So you can go in through the app, or it also has a laptop, a PC software app, and you can go in there and set up a time-lapse, how many seconds between pictures and that, and it'll make its own time-lapse really well, and then you just got to download the file and you have a time-lapse. So that's a pretty cool feature. Yeah, overall pretty impressed. No problems yet with it. Takes really nice sharp images, and its night feature's not too bad. It has a spotlight right here, and it turns on and helps to illuminate the area. I'd say within about 30-40 feet it'll light up, and then it'll give you kind of a color image. Without the spotlight, it's a black and white kind of infrared image, because there is some infrared lights on here, and you can see pretty good as well with that. And then one other really cool thing I've done with it is I've clamped it on in our engine room. I had a problem with our propeller seal, and I wanted to get a view of it, and I wanted to get a view of I had a mechanic redoing they call it a stuffing box. So I put the camera in here, and I could monitor what was going on down there and get photos and actually show the marine mechanic the thing while it was underway, so he could get an idea of how much drops of water were coming out, that sort of thing. So many uses, and yeah, quite happy with that. Anyway, till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. I'll just finish the video with some of the footage I've gotten and photos off of this camera. Let's give you a quick look at the live view. This is on my laptop, and this is the phone. And you can turn the phone sideways and zoom in, that sort of thing.
Thank your friends coming in.
You guys are coming in here. Plenty of room on the back.
Yeah, they got your breast.
And you're swinging it. Maybe this did work better than I. Oh, I thought it wasn't going to go as planned.
They got all your lines.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah, of course. We're tied to the
These spaces always look smaller than they are. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
And there's current.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.